Hello friends, I Dr. Swalya Pathan welcome you all to my YouTube channel Super Psychology Prof. Friends, many applicants are confused or not aware about what is biodata, resume, CV and reference checks. Many people think it is same, but friends, in today's topic, I would like to clarify that organization or employer, when they ask you to submit biodata, it is different from the resume. Resume is different from the CV, and CV is different from the reference check. Their expectations are different. Biodata is known as biographical data, whereas resume is a French word. It means the summary of your personal and educational background or information. CV is a Latin word. It refers to the course of life which is focuses on the professional aspect, and reference check is done by new organization from the previous employer. So we are going to study today about in detail about biodata, resume, CV and reference check. Friends, let us understand what is biodata. It is also known as biographical data. Biodata is a criteria to evaluate and assess job applicant. It includes factual information about an individual. Biodata highlights personal and factual information. It is a document that concentrates on your details, focuses on personal information. One need to mention the educational background and occupational history if any. Biodata generally includes name, address, date of birth, race, age, gender, contact information, marital status, religion, father's name or parent's occupation, maiden address, education, background, complexion, height and disability if any, state of residence. These details are required by the industry to know a person, and sometimes some information like for example height is the information in some industries it is required. Therefore, they are asking you the factual data which you have to state here. Another important aspect which you have to state in biodata is educational background, where you have studied and what level of achievements you have done in the educational field. Occupational history or the job history if you have any. Other than that, some information about your skills, your interest and hobbies are mentioned. Hobbies, for example, may be helpful to judge and evaluate the applicant. Resume is a French word. It is a brief overview of your educational background and job experience. It focuses on the background, skills, and accomplishment. It helps to secure the new job employment. It is a summary of educational background and job experience. First, choose the right format of the resume. Add personal information, address, and contact information. Then write objectives, which is a heading statement. Summarize your relevant work experience, projects completed, achievements, certificates, rewards, if any. List your skills, abilities which is required by the job. Friends, let us understand what the CV means. What the organizer or the owner of the businessman is expecting the information in CV. CV, this word has come from Latin word. Employer expects great deal of your work experience and accomplishment. It also includes your achievements, books written, papers published at national and international level, paper presentation done, focuses on accomplishment of the project. So mostly CVs are related to your professional career. Now we will try to understand what is reference check. Reference check is done to verify the skill experience. It is the time consuming and it costs to the company or the organization. It helps to get the better information about the employee from the previous organization or the office. It also helps fairness in recruitment. It gives employees identity. It also gives the history of employee which we get to know from the previous employer. We also come to know about identity inconsistencies if stated in the reference check. It also helps to uncover discomforting evidence about the applicant if it is there. It helps to have a fair recruitment, and therefore we have to have the reference or recommendation letter from the previous employer. Friends, there is definitely difference between what is biodata, what is resume, what is CV, and what is a reference check. One should have to understand biodata focuses on personal and factual information about the employee. Resume, it helps to judge the personal information, educational background, and little bit about the experience. Curriculum vitae or CV is mainly focused only on the professional career related to your job, related to your projects, and related to your professional career. And reference check is another aspect which gives the better assessment, better identity of the applicant. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe if you are new on my channel. Press bell icon for the next videos which I will upload on the YouTube. Comment. I like to read the comments, so please comment. Thank you.